Welcome. This video will show you a way to organize your sticky notes inside memo boards and keep your desktop clutter-free. A memo board is just a folder inside which your sticky notes can be placed. Let us stick this particular note to our personal memo board. Click on the top left button to access the note menu. Select the Stick to Memo Board option, and a drop-down will list your favorite memo boards. Let us select the personal memo board. We will now look at the Notes browser. Right-click on the Notezilla icon and open the Notes browser. The Memo Boards pane lists all the memo boards. This view lists down the notes contained in the selected memo board. Click on the note from the list. The pressed button indicates that the particular note is also stuck to the desktop. The note we stuck earlier is right here inside the personal memo board. We will create a new note in this memo board. Right-click in the white area and create a new note. Let us stick this note to our desktop. Open the Note menu again and stick the note to desktop. To create a new memo board inside the Home memo board, right-click and choose the option New Memo Board from the menu. We will now change the layout of this memo board. Right-click and choose the option Arrange Notes. Select the paper roll layout to create sticky notes as wide as your notes browser. All notes created here will now be really wide. Convenient to store large content such as reference material, scripts, drafts, etc. You can also mark a memo board as favorite for faster access. Don't forget to go to Notezilla settings and configure it as per your needs. The feature you are looking for may be hiding in the settings. Download Notezilla for free today from our website, conceptworld.com. Also, check out more Notezilla videos to explore other interesting features. Thank you.